thinking a lot about whether it's worth riding the motorcycle to work in the morning versus taking my piece of junk truck. So I decided I'd compare the two by riding the truck to work one day and the bike to work the next day. See the benefits of the truck versus the benefits of the bike, which one's more fun, which one's warmer, you know, all that good stuff. So it's about 4:30 in the morning. Yeah, 4:27. About time to wheel it out.
Just trying to get the defroster going. That's something I don't have to worry about with the fucking bike. Let's see here. Let's get some music going. We listen to music on the bike when I'm riding, so I should listen to music in the truck. It's not bad. Unfortunately, my tape player doesn't work. Also, number 2 on the radio doesn't work. The number 3 button's broke, but it works. Number 4 doesn't work. Number 5 doesn't work. I can't turn the volume down. I can turn the volume up, but it gets quieter. That's what we're working with here. No real volume control and only 2 presets and a broken tape player.
Alright. Just checked my tire pressure.
Well, I'm warmer than I would be if I was on the bike, but I'm not having any fun at all.
Feels a little better. Ooh, nice cool air. As if it's a surprise to anyone, it's definitely colder on the bike. Alright. There's Mr. Policeman. We're here.
Well, that's it. My short little commute. We're here. Let's weigh the pros and cons.
So that was quicker than the truck.
I'm warmer. Definitely warmer. But, no more awake than I was when I left the house. Didn't have any fun.
That was much more fun than the truck.
But we're here and we're warm, I guess. So it counts for something, right?
A little bit colder than driving the truck.
Alright, well, we've seen my piece of shit truck. Rust hole, broken grill, no exhaust pipe, busted windshield, no real stereo to speak of, shitty brakes, leaking rear axle, leaking motor, shift linkage that's held together with electric tape, needs a front end alignment badly, and it's just all around fucking boring.
And I had some good music to blast while riding the bike. So that's always fun. Alright.